Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking fresh lemon and we are making lemon brownies. These brownies, you guys, are like on a level 10 as far as lemon flavor is concerned. They're so fudgy and chewy and just perfect. If you are a lemon lover, you gotta make these. Let's go. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is add our melted butter into a large bowl. Next, we're gonna add in some sugar. And if this recipe is looking familiar, it's because this is the recipe that I use to make all of my little brownies. It's like the perfect texture and I love this recipe, okay? All right, that looks good. Now we're gonna add in our eggs. Dump those eggs right on in, just like that. You can use your mixer here. My mixer was sounding crazy, I'm like, this thing about to break down on me. What's going on? Yeah, I got scared of that, so I had to, put it up. But use your mixer if you have one to mix it on up, and that looks wonderful. Okay, now it's time for my best friend, buttermilk. I love me some buttermilk. Pour that buttermilk on in. That buttermilk makes the texture so dense and kind of like cake-like, but yet still fudgy. The perfect brownie texture, in my opinion. Okay. Mix it on up just like that. And next we're going to push that aside, move on to our dry ingredients. I have flour in this bowl. I'm gonna add in a little bit of salt. Get in there, salt. All right, perfect. Now just get your little whisk and kind of whisk it around. Get that salt all mixed in and stuff like that. Okay. That looks good. Then go ahead and mix that dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now I know some people say these are not brownies, honey. These are blondies or like lemon bars. I've heard them called lemon bars, but no, they are brownies because the texture of these things is like totally different from blondies. Like it's like a brownie. So I'm calling it lemon brownie, all right? Okay, now we're gonna move on to our lemon. We gotta add that lemon flavor, so we're gonna add in a whole bunch of lemon juice. You really don't need a lot. The juice of one lemon. And of course, you gotta add some lemon zest to really bump up that flavor. So go ahead and zest your lemon up like that. I like doing this part, it's so fun. Scoop it on up, and we're gonna dump this right into our batter. Dump it in there, perfect. And next we're gonna add our lemon juice, just like that. Mix it all up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some of this stuff right here. Where is it at? Where's that clip at? Boom. That lemon extract is natural lemon extract, not their artificial stuff. It's just lemon, alcohol, and water, okay? It's going to really help pump up that lemon flavor because I like a nice deep lemon flavor in my brownies, okay? But that's optional. You don't have to use that. And now we're going to pour our batter into our prepared pan. I just lined the pan with some parchment paper. It makes it so much easier when you're taking it out and cutting it up and stuff. So dump that right into your pan. Give it a little shake to get nice and even. Pop it in the oven, 325 for about 30 to 35 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, place it on a cooling rack and let it cool off completely, okay? Completely, guys. And while it was cooling off, I made this stuff. It tastes like lemonade. It's just powdered sugar and lemon juice. That's all it is. So simple. When your brownies have totally cooled off completely, just go ahead and spread it on there just like that. Pour all of it on. It's so sweet and tart. It just goes so good with these brownies, like for real, so good. So go ahead and spread it out. That looks wonderful. And then I like to add a little bit of lemon zest on top just to, make it look all pretty. And you guys, these taste so much better the next day. Look, you can kind of tell just how fudgy, they are. The texture is really like a brownie. You really can't tell on the screen, but it's like a brownie, you guys, for real. But it tastes even better the next day. The lemon flavor is so strong and the texture is like perfect on day 2. So just keep that in mind, all right? That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you will know when I post new videos. Later.